With United Pacific's newest product, the YourGrip steering wheel, extensive driving doesn't have to mean wrist pain. Both comfort and quality, only from United Pacific. Remove the original horn button by gently pulling up on the back edge. Make note of the two horn contact wire positions. Then disconnect the two horn contact wires. If equipped, disconnect the steering wheel control connectors. Remove the metal clip on top of the steering wheel nut. Remove the steering wheel nut. Make a mark on the shaft to indicate top straight ahead position. Use a common steering wheel puller tool to free the original steering wheel from the steering shaft. Consult the steering wheel puller tool manufacturer's instructions on the proper way to use the tool. If equipped, transfer the horn contact plate from the back of the original steering wheel to the back of your grip steering wheel by removing and reusing the 3 Torx head screws. Careful to position the spline so that the wheel is centered straight position. Install the steering wheel nut. Torque the steering wheel nut to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications, usually 50 to 55 foot-pounds. Install the metal clip. If equipped, install or transfer the truck's original steering wheel controls to the YourGrip steering wheel trim. To transfer, remove the blank covers from the trim by unscrewing the screws from the back. Place the controls where the blank cover used to be. Screw back on the screws. Carefully align the posts on the back of the trim to the openings on the wheel. Gently push the trim onto the wheel. Secure the steering wheel switch cable to the steering wheel's inner cable channels. Customize your look with chrome or black trim, required and sold separately. It easily snaps on, and you can accommodate your steering wheel control buttons. If you purchased your horn pad, transfer the horn bracket by removing the 4 screws on the back of the original horn pad. Reconnect the horn wires. Reinstall the horn pad by pushing down. Add a horn pad cover to give a stylish finishing touch to your steering system. Reconnect the battery and test the horn and steering wheel control functions if equipped. Reliable, hardworking, quality products. uptruckparts.com